Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to solve SMS couldn't send Google Pay error. So, let's begin. First we can try is to restart our data by clicking on the airplane mode. And after a few seconds, turn it off. Sometimes poor signal is the reason why Google can't send SMS. But, if this problem still persists, what we can do is hold on to the GPay app and go to App Info by clicking the I button. Then go to storage and then click clear data. Click OK, and after that, now restart your mobile phone. After doing that, you just need to sign in again and that will more likely fix the issue that you're having. And that is how to solve SMS couldn't send Google Pay error. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.